Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play co-op mode in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, press Escape on your keyboard, which will bring up the game menu, and from the menu, look for co-op mode, which is right over here. Click on it. Here you'll see the list of players that are willing to play co-op mode. You can request to join them by clicking on this request to join button, and once they've accepted your request, you can play co-op mode with them. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!